Welcome back to Horsepower Hobby. I am Torque, and on today's video, we're doing the Cummins build, guys.
Horsepower Hobby.
I am a little late to the party. They've already gotten started. Let's see what they've gotten done so far. So far, they've done they've actually pulled out the old exhaust, or at least a good portion of it. But this is where the old exhaust used to be. Here is where they cut it off so far. Pretty soon this Cummins will be sounding amazing. So that's where they started at so far. I believe next, after they do the exhaust, they're going to get to the lift pump, which goes inside the tank. And so we'll try to get some footage of that now that I'm here. But this is exciting, guys. Check out this new exhaust as they got it laid out and actually starting to kind of piece it together and figure out how it goes. That is a whole lot of exhaust, guys. I can't wait to hear what this Cummins sounds like and to see what it looks like. It's going to be absolutely amazing with this new exhaust. Guys, this is starting to shape up already. We just got the complete exhaust out, and now it's time to start going in with the new one. Look at the difference, guys. This new one is just massive. The old one just fits right inside of the new one. So this thing is going to sound amazing. I can tell already. Haven't even heard it yet. So guys, just got the first portion of the exhaust installed. That thing gave us some trouble, but it is installed, and we're going to continue to install the rest. I'll show you guys when it's all installed. There it is, guys. The new exhaust is completely installed. We're going to fire it up and see what it sounds like. Alright, here's the cold start, guys. Sounds good to me. I just realized something. I forgot to order the tip to go on the exhaust. I mean, it sounds absolutely amazing. So we're going to go ahead and order that tip. I think we're going to order a black one and put it on the end of that once it comes in. But we're going to go ahead and order that now. So he's underneath here installing the tuner. Once again, this is what we're installing, the Bully Dog GT tuner. Trying to hook up the power supply for the tuner, guys. That's the magic trick, guys. So there it is, just like that. The power supply is installed. So we got it torn apart here. Got the wire installed. The tuner is in and actually on. We had the boost gauge display because that's most important to us at this point. So once we get going with this thing here shortly, we'll be able to keep an eye on the boost and see how much it's making. So now they're getting the Air Dog fuel system ready to be installed. We're just kind of configuring the pieces and putting them together, getting them the right, I guess, adjustments and stuff like that on it, so it can go in a lot smoother. So we're going to put the 15-pound spring in so that it'll maintain that level all the time. So guys, the shop that is actually doing the work is Southern Fried Motorsports. As you can see via the sign here in the background, the owner Doug is very, very knowledgeable on the diesel engines, period, whether it's a Cummins or no matter which engine. And they do very, very good work and extremely prompt as far as the service that they provide. So if you have any performance mods or anything that you would like to do to your diesel, come see Southern Fried Motorsports. So I've just been informed that it was a 17-pound spring instead of a 15-pound spring that was installed into the lift pump. So that's even better, guys. I mean, that's 17 pounds of fuel pressure all the time that it maintains, so that'd be pretty good. So I don't know, guys, just taking a look at this exhaust, and I know we put Mountain Dew cans in the last one. This one looks like it may fit a 2-liter. What do you guys think? Yeah, we may be able to get a 2-liter, if not maybe a 1-liter in it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Now installing the feed tube for the lift pump, as you can see. So we just measured the depth of the tank with the actual pickup tube, and he actually cut it at an angle so that it doesn't pick up any, or try to suck up the bottom of the tank rather. So that it just sucks up just fuel. Now we're installing the rubber grommet, and we're gonna stick the feed tube down into the tank, and that portion of installing the lift pump will be done. Then it's just installing the actual pump itself. If you guys can see that, I don't know if the camera will focus and pick it up. There's a little magic trick there with a broomstick to push the it just sat down. You just push the feed tube down into the tank. It actually set in the grommet, so everything's good to go there now. So we can move on to installing the actual lift pump. Once again, guys, just look at that exhaust. So the filler neck is now installed, running all the electrical work so that to make this lift pump work. You got this clean installation, guys. Got all the stuff installed for today. Let's see if it will actually crank up. He's just giving it a little test to make it prime up. It may be leaking here a little bit. So we know for a fact that the fuel pump now works. Got to hook one line up and it just poured the fuel out. So that's a good thing that the fuel pump works. Not a good thing that it's all over the floor, but when stuff happens, we're just gonna keep moving forward. fuel pump is back on, guys. No more leaks. Truck is priming, getting ready to fire it up. So we're going to take it for a little spin after all this just to see the difference in it. I know we're not completely done. We haven't done injectors and stuff of that nature, but it does have that tuner on it. It does have the lift pump, and we're just going to test it out and see how everything goes. All right. Guys, it's alive. It's running. Can't wait till tomorrow to get these injectors replaced so it'll stop doing this. You can really see it now. It's really obvious that the injector is bad now that we got the bigger ends also. So, like I said, that'll all be taken care of tomorrow. There it is, guys. I'm about to pull it out of the shop. Try to let it warm up and maybe take it around the block for a moment. This is real exciting. And this is only halfway done. So let's get going, guys. First test drive since we've done the pump, exhaust, and the tuner. It only does that weird thing when it's idling. It sounds good.
But I think you're in stock right now.
Yeah.
No power.
I just wanted to cruise in. We'd probably bump it up and way back. Go this way, you think?
Yeah, we can go down this way and follow it around the block.
That sounds real good so far. I can't imagine what it'd be like if you have to bump it up. I've ever seen those. Pounds of boost there. Sounds absolutely amazing, guys, and it rides pretty good. So we can bump it up a little bit. You said performance is where it kind of rides. So far looking real good, and we haven't even put the injectors in yet. It's already picked up significant amount of power, significant amount of torque, and it just sounds absolutely awesome. Sounds absolutely amazing. Wow, that was amazing. Check out this cool hot rod he has here at the shop. That's pretty neat. I like this mailbox too. The base of it is made out of a crank. That's very neat. But this right here really amazes me, y'all. I've always loved these trucks, these F650s. So he has one of these here at the shop. Getting some work done to it as well. Very nice truck. Very nice truck there. So that is it for today's video. We will continue this build in the next video. Hope you all have enjoyed it. I've had an absolute blast driving this thing with what little bit of modifications we've done to it so far, which is the Bully Dog tuner, the lift pump and the actual 5-inch exhaust. I mean, it sounds amazing. It runs amazing so far. I can't imagine what it's going to be after we finish this thing tomorrow. That's going to be amazing because we're going with the 250 horsepower injectors. It's going to add a whole lot of power, guys. So if you haven't subscribed already, do hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time.